What's up, guys? Butts Saggington here, and today I'm smashing things. And I'm gonna give you a smash cam, but sadly I'm not gonna be in slow motion. So I have these two bats. I'm gonna see which one does more damage. I can't speak for crap. So yeah, I'm only smashing 4 things because this is the only things I can find. So I guess let's get started. Hope that this is good. Stay. Is that good? I hope that's good. Crap, that isn't good. Is that good? Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. First thing on the list of smashing, jugs. First, we're using tiny bat. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. See the damage. It dented the handle. So really nothing. Let's try again. I'm gonna swing harder. See where it did that. I'm gonna also smash it over here. Crap. Didn't really do anything. Let's see how the big bat does it. Okay. Again, same thing, didn't really do much. Try a milk jug. First, starting off with the big bat. Same thing, didn't really do anything. Let's swing with the tiny bat, but even harder. Didn't do anything. Yeah. Okay. Now, each of these cans, they're both like the same cans, different colors. Both are Red Bull cans, One's blue, one's yellow. And one is gonna get a thin bat, one gonna get the big behemoth. Let's go with the blue one, the small bat. Hang on. Sorry about crappy camera angles. I'm not good. Camera, stop. It's really hot out here. It's kind of draining my energy. Okay, let's go. We're gonna smash it back. Okay, put a dent in it, right there. Fail. See how the big behemoth does on the yellow one. Big bat, yellow king. Let's go. We're gonna smash it back, same thing. Two dents in it. Success. Okay. So hopefully that was good. And you're gonna get like 5 likes at least. Comment down below if you want more stuff like this. And kind of my energy breathing really hard because it's hot out here. My energy drains from heat. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe if you want to. Like the video, I guess. Hopefully. Do what you want. So yeah, see you guys next time. Hang on, finding the off button. Crap. So, see you guys next time. Goodbye.